Super Fast Charging 2.0 for Samsung. The adaptive fast charging PD/PPS port perfectly supports 45W. Samsung Super Fast Charging 2.0 protocol for Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, Note 10 Plus, Tab S7 Plus, charges Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, about 5000 mAh, from dead to 100% in less than 1 hour. Also 25W. Samsung Super Fast Charging 1.0 protocol for Samsung Galaxy Note 10, Note 20, S20, S20 FE, S20 Plus, A70, A71, A80, A90s, Z Fold 25 grams, M31s, M5. Enjoy ultra charging experience for your Samsung on the road. Charge 2 devices at once with the dual port on this space-saving car charger. Both you and a friend can experience fast charging while on the road, or you can power up your wearables while keeping your phone at 100%. Top reviews from the United States. Super fast charger. This is exactly as described. I have tried so many car chargers in the past but nothing like this charger. Fast charger. Must buy.